Since the Essential phone was announced, the Ocean Bluffs and Copper Ocean Depths model has always stood out as the company's most striking and distinctive color scheme. Months and months of delays later, I wondered if anyone would really mind if it was finally published, but that changed after seeing it in person. I have seen and had many phones in the last 5 years, and none have been like that. The Essentials Ocean Depths model radiates color. It is bright and saturated in a surprising greenish blue that makes it feel like a lost piece of treasure next to the cavalcade of black and white phones that make up a large part of the market. Essential produced a limited series of Ocean Depths phones and has no plans to manufacture them anymore. The race went on sale 2 weeks ago and since then it has run out. It seems a decent signal for a company that is said to have sold less than 90,000 phones last year, although Essential did not say how many units of Ocean Depths were manufactured. Along with the Ocean Depths model, Essential also released 2 other limited edition phones, Copper Black, which has a shiny black back and a copper molding, and Stellar Grey, which has a matte black back and a molding. Matte Grey. He also presented another new model, Halo Grey, which is exclusive to Amazon and will not be a limited edition. That model has a matte black back and the same titanium rails used in the white model of Essential.